The new Predator Helios 500 has arrived and it delivers on every level. Within its neon-hued chassis, the beast stirs with an overclockable 11th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, up to 64GB of 3200 DDR4 RAM, and heaps of high-speed NVMe PCIe M.2 storage. But high-end hardware needs the same extreme cooling to support it, which is why we've added our 5th Gen AeroBlade 3D fan technology, Vortex Flow optimization, and the CPU cooling Predator Power Gem. All these, in addition to strategically placed intakes, exhausts, and heat pipes, deliver some of the most advanced, powerful cooling in a modern gaming laptop. For the display, you can pick from FHD at 360Hz, QHD at 165, or a special 4K model that blows all others out of the water. This Ultra HD panel from AUO is a mini LED that delivers levels of contrast that blur the line between reality and game through 512 backlight zones, display HDR 1000 certification, and a rapid 120Hz refresh rate with 3 millisecond response time. The keyboard also includes a distinct feature, the latest MagForce and racing keys using our unique MagTech switches. These custom-engineered WASD keys work much like a gamepad's analog joystick, so you have minute control over movement, and making it so you no longer need to alternate between a gamepad and keyboard and mouse in some games. Now looking at the RGB, it's everywhere. From the 4 light strips that surround the entire chassis, the logo on the back of the display, all the way to the keyboard itself, which is per key RGB and includes plenty of patterns to choose from. You can also spice things up with some of the unique interactive modes, audio and mimic. With the audio-focused patterns, lighting will react to whatever you're listening to, whether it's a game, movie, you name it. Whereas mimic works much like its name implies. In essence, it reproduces the colors from the lower half of the display via the light bars and keyboard RGB, making it so you can get fully immersed in your game sessions. The new Predator Helios 500 continues to reign supreme, so all that's left is to make it yours.